Welcome to our giant dried mango factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how fresh mangoes are transformed from harvest to final packaging. Don't forget to subscribe.
Every mango is thoroughly cleaned to meet strict food safety standards before processing. Carefully controlled temperature and airflow create naturally sweet, chewy, dried mango slices.
Every batch is carefully tested to ensure premium quality and consistent taste. Sealed packaging keeps the dried mango fresh, flavorful, and ready to enjoy.
Every day, premium dried mango products are shipped to customers around the world.
And that's how dried mango is produced. From fresh tropical mangoes to delicious dried fruit enjoyed around the world. Thanks for watching!